Ayubowan. Welcome back to Sinhala Tutor YouTube channel. Now we are going to learn Sinhala. This is lesson number 3. In this video, I will going to discuss with you about letters. How we can produce letters with the using of vowels and consonant. Swara and Vyanjan. Swara akuru and we use saha, the word saha for and. So guys, I'm trying to using Sinhala words also. So then you can easily practice Sinhala when you talking also. Alright. So in this video, I will discuss with you how we can produce letters with using of these Sura akuru saha Vyanjana akuru, vowel and consonant. Okay. So if you are not if haven't subscribed me, please subscribe me and you can learn Sinhala. This is Sinhala Tutor YouTube channel. Right. So when you're talking about Sinhala Hodia, previous lesson we have talked about vowels and consonant, and here we are going to talk about how we can produce different sounds with the using of vowel and consonant. First example, the consonant k, 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 k. So that is actually, so you get the sound k, k, k. Actually you can't pronounce that one without the using of vowel. So that k plus a sound, that is k, that is a consonant, and plus a, that is the vowel. The consonant plus vowel, so then you can represent the normal pronunciation, that k, that is k. So as in English also you use k plus a for k, car, that is you are producing the car sound. So k plus a, consonant and a vowel. So same principle apply here, but what is important in Sinhala audio, Sinhala language, so you will have something called pilla. So you use different pilla. So you can see in the next example. So plus e, that is consonant, consonant plus e vowel. So the production of letter is li. Here, my friends, you can see the upper part. You have the li. How you can see the right, the li e sound. That is what we call pilla. Right? That's a put it is ispil. So something coming in up. So that is li. And the other one, when you write sound, that is you call hal kirim, hal akura, hal akura. Okay, so this is li. Now let's say how we can produce all these letters and what are the sound with the using of one consonant. So that is with the using of k consonant. Let's see how we can learn those things and what are the variation of letter k. So that ka ki. So if you take k, so you can read that letter k as k, 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 cricket. When you read cricket, so that k, k, that is where you can use sound k, k. And the next one is, so the vowel is ah. So the consonant is k, plus vowel is ah. So it is, the letter is ka. You call it ka. First one is k. Now it is ka. So it's like you're calling it a ka sound. So in the word car, also in the word cart, car. So that car This is representing in Sinhala, that is car. It's like car sound. It's car. Next, third one is ka. So in English, you don't have a special letter for it, a special vowel. But in Sinhala, there's a vowel a. As we learned previous video, it is a. So ka sound like ka. So basically, you can hear that sound cat, cat. The word cat. Okay. Next one is the ka. So this is longer version of the ka. So you can take the ka and you hold it long. Ka. So first word you can remember is cans. When you say cans, that is a ka sound. So these are particularly the you at the pillam. As I said, that you call it in single pillam, right? But in English, you add vowel letter in front of it. Here, not all the letter is coming, only the pillam part is coming. Right. Now let's see how to prepare ki. So k plus e sound, sorry, e vowel is coming. Then it's like kill, kill. When you are saying kill, that is key sound. And the longer key, that is key. So that here also that is the next, we call diga spill, longer one. So it is key, and the word in keep, you can pronounce that one as keep. Okay. Next one is ko. So k plus u sound, u letter u, that vowel u. So the preparation is ku. So it's like cook, cook. When you say cook, that is u sound, cook. And the next one is cool, as the word cool, cool. When you say cool, that is cool. So it is coming with ik plus u. So you have to held longer, cool. That is longer. And if we take the k as the word Kevin, so you call it kombu. Part is called kombu, k. So the sound, the vowel is come as a, k plus a, k. So the sound is k. And if you take k, the next letter k, it is producing with k plus a, the longer version of the k. A, a. So when you read cake, cake. So that is k. So the next one is kai. So here you use two combos, two combos. So that is kai. And what is coming? K plus I sound. I vowel I. So the word kite, if you take the word kite, so there is sound of the kite, kite. And next one is a ko as convent, k plus o sound. And here you have to use kombu plus, you call the other part as the elapil. When you say car, you put the elapil. And when you say a, that is you call adhere. If you say ku, ku, so that is papil, foot part, papil. We'll see those things in later discussions, but just remember, actually you don't need the singular letters if you're not going to read singular, but it's better to learn something about this. Also, it is interesting, right? Then the next one is the co, that is sound like called, in the word called, and cow as well, like cow. K plus ow sound, ow, the vowel ow. So that is produce ow. So you call that with the k, both side there. Front you have the kombu, the other one is the, you call it gayanukit. Don't worry about these names, I just tell the name. So I think I have given all the film also. I will discuss this in later also. Okay, so let's read all together. Ka, 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 ki, ki, cuckoo, ke, ke, kai. Ko, ko, cow. So this is the way that how we can prepare letters. So this letter that from the constant Vyanjani, k consonant preparing the other letter of the variation of the k sound, k letter k. So like that, like the letter k, you can put it into the g. You can put it into the h. You can any letter you can put these things. So then kaka, kaka, kiki, kuku, kiki, kai, kuku, cow. Just like the same thing. Gaga, gigi, gaga, gaga, gigi, gugu, gigi, gai, gugu, gau. If you take the, dada, dada, didi, dudu, didi, dai, dodo, dau. If you take ma, mama, meme, mimi, mumu, mimi, mai, mumu, mau. Like that, you can take any consonant and prepare it with like this. So that is the way. So they not like English alphabet, English language. So in Sinhala we have different letters like that, variation of the consonant actually. So let's meet up in the next video. Until then, goodbye. Bohoma stuti. Stuti. So it is. Thank you.